Air France Flight 447, When the Ocean Answered the Sky. June 1, 2009. Air France Flight 447, a modern Airbus A330, flying from Rio de Janeiro to Paris. The aircraft was in perfect condition. The weather was slightly rough, but nothing beyond what the aircraft was designed to handle. At 35,000 feet, everything felt normal. Passengers were asleep, cabin lights were dim, experienced pilots were in the cockpit. Then, something small changed everything. The aircraft's pitot tubes, which measure airspeed, became blocked by ice. The flight computers began receiving incorrect speed data. The autopilot disconnected. In a single moment, the perfect balance between human and machine was broken. Warnings began to sound, alarms, beeps, confusion. The aircraft itself was stable, but the pilots believed the speed was becoming dangerously low. This is where the fatal mistake occurred. Instead of lowering the nose, the aircraft was pulled upward. The plane entered a stall. The airflow over the wings was lost. The aircraft was no longer flying upward, it was falling. Yet inside the cockpit, no one fully realized it. Artificial horizon and speed indicators were showing contradictory information. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, the aircraft continued descending toward the ocean. There was no explosion, no dramatic fireball, only a silent fall. And then the Atlantic Ocean. 228 lives, no survivors. When the aircraft disappeared, the world was left searching for answers. The plane was modern, the crew was trained, and yet there was no signal, no clear explanation. For 2 years, the ocean kept its secret. In 2011, the black boxes were recovered, and the truth emerged. This crash was not caused by engine failure, nor was weather the direct cause. It happened because of confusion, misinterpretation, and human reaction under extreme stress. Technology issued warnings, but humans failed to correctly understand them. After this accident, the aviation world changed. Pilot training was rewritten to emphasize stall recognition. The balance between automation and human control was redefined. Aircraft sensors were redesigned. Every crash is not only a tragedy, it is a lesson, one that saves lives in the future. So when you take your seat on a plane and fasten your seatbelt, remember this: safety in the sky does not come from technology alone, it comes from understanding. Air France Flight 447 never reached its destination, but its story still flies with every journey today.